Jimmy, dime time. Let's go!
Hey everyone, it's me, Jimmy Dime. It's so good to see you. Welcome to my adventure room. Here, anything is possible. You can use your imagination and we can learn new things at the same time. I'm so excited. Today, we're going on a very special adventure. We're going to a park. Have you been to a park before? Then you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's trees and birds and grass. But first, I want to show you a very special wall in my adventure room. Are you ready? Come look. Here's that very special wall I was talking about. It's a feather wall. Look at all the feathers. They're the color blue. They belong to birds. Birds have feathers. Have you ever seen a bird before? In the park, we'll see lots of birds. And here, look at this. That's an owl. Okay, let me show you where we're gonna go. Come on. Before we go through the question mark door, I want to show you exactly where we're going. Here, to the park. And when we're there, let's play a game. Let's find things that spell my name, Jimmy Dime. Jimmy-D-I-M-E. It'll be so much fun. Are you ready to go to the park? I am. Let's go. Okay, let's go through the magic door. But before we do, we have to turn on our magic laces. See? 1, 2. Okay, here we go. We can do it! Whoa, look at that! We're here in a park! That's so fun! Wait, look at those trees! Those trees are so big! Are you ready to find the secret word with me, Jimmy Dime? Okay, but first, before we go, I don't want to be thirsty. I'll just have a little bit of my juice. Hey, that's right. Juice in a juice box. We've already started our adventure. Come on, let's find the next letter. That's an I. Let's go! Okay, so now we're looking for the letter I. You know what starts with I? Ice cream. It's so tasty. Let me have a bite. That's so good. Hey, M. That's our next letter. Do you want to help me find the next letter? Letter M? Okay, let's go. Okay, so the next letter is going to be an M. M? What starts with that? Music, that's right. Look what I found. Come here. Wow, it almost looks like a castle. So, shall we dance for a little bit? Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, now we have to find another letter M. And I found it. Go look. It's a mermaid on the rock, looking at the water. How cool is that? Also, another thing that starts with M, the mountains. Look how big they are. There's some snow on the top of the mountains, and if you look over there, you can see a big boat going across the water. We're seeing everything today. Are you ready to help me find the next letter? Okay, let's go. Bye, Mermaid. We'll see you soon. She can be my friend. Let's go. Okay, now we have to find the letter Y. You know what starts with Y? Yoga. And look what I found. It's a yoga mat. Yoga is a type of exercise. It helps you stretch big and tall. So let's do a couple poses together. You can try it at home. Here, I'll step on the mat. This one's called the tree. So you're nice and big, just like a tree. You put your foot up here, and you balance right here with your hands. You're so good at this. Okay, let's do one more. This one's called the cobra. So you put your hands here and you go down and stretch up big and tall and look to the sky. Yes, you're so good. So we're just about found Jimmy Dime. We found J, and I, and M, and now Y. So let's find the rest of the letters. Let's go. Hey, look what I found. It's a goose. And if you look over there, there's some ducks. Now what does duck start with? That's right, a D. Let's look at the ducks. There's so many colors, but you gotta be quiet. You don't want to scare them away. Hi, ducks. Wow, there's so many of them. This goose. He's becoming my friend. Hi. Okay, shall we go see what next letter we're gonna discover? Let's go. Okay, wow, look at this. This is so cool. Hey, what's over here? It's a ukulele. It's an instrument. That's I for instrument. Shall I play a little song? And maybe a little dance? It's so fun. Okay, let's find our next letters. Come on. Hey, this is a big slide. Do you want to go down the slide with me? Come on. First, we have to go up the steps. And then we're gonna go down the slide. Come with me. It's so fun. Are you ready? Here we go. Yeah. Come down. So fun. Okay, let's find our next letter. Okay, we're looking for our next letter. It's M. You know what M stands for? Monkey bars. Monkey bars are so much fun. Sometimes I can hang on them like a monkey. Okay, are you ready for the next letter? Let's go. Wow, look what I found. It's a big hollow tree. It's so tall. We're looking for the letter E. Do you think it's inside? Let's find out. Come on. Wow. You can go right inside. Oh. Come here. Look what I found. It's an egg. Egg starts with E. We did it. We found all the letters. Here, let's see. I better leave it there just in case. It could be a baby bird. So you helped me. We found J, I, M, M, Y, D, I, M, E. What does that spell? That's right, Jimmy Dime. That's me. So let's go back to the adventure room and go over everything. Are you ready? Let's go back and whoa! Wow, that was so much fun. Thank you so much for helping me spell my name. You were amazing. Well, That's all for now, but I will see you soon on our next show. Bye, and remember, you can do it. See you soon.
Jimmy, dime time. Next show!